Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with an update to the Day 1 Outlook. For a large part, the margin will remain the same. For a large part. The slight risk over here, the slight risk for severe weather over here, kind of got expanded greatly today. So now the slight risk today encompasses southeastern Minnesota, central and southwestern Wisconsin, parts of Iowa, northwestern Missouri, tiny bit of southeastern Nebraska, and far northeastern Kansas. And the Storm Prediction Center has added a second slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses central Pennsylvania, far northwestern Delaware, parts of Maryland, Washington, D.C., a tiny bit of the panhandle of West Virginia, parts of Virginia, western North Carolina, far northeastern Tennessee, northwestern South Carolina, and north central Georgia. So these two slight risk areas today include Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Atlanta, Georgia, Madison, Wisconsin, and Des Moines, Iowa. Alright, and there's still these two marginals that have not been changed. Okay? These two marginals have not really been changed. So, anyway, since my last video. The marginal includes Chicago, Illinois, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, and Charlotte, North Carolina. Going to the tornado threat for today. Come on. There we go. These two, the 5% and the 2% tornado risk areas have been enlarged. So, the 5% tornado risk area today encompasses southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Iowa, and parts of Wisconsin. And the 2% tornado risk area today encompasses parts of south central Minnesota, northern Iowa, far northwestern Illinois, and parts of Wisconsin. So, cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Madison, Wisconsin, Rochester, Minnesota, La Crosse, Wisconsin, Winona, Minnesota, and Sun Prairie, Wisconsin. And the 2% tornado risk area today includes Appleton, Wisconsin, Waukesha, Wisconsin. Having a hard time pronouncing it. Waterloo, Iowa, Oshkosh, Wisconsin, and Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Go to the wind threat for today. The 5% wind risk areas today remain largely the same. Okay? The Storm Prediction Center has kind of enlarged the 15% wind risk area over here. The 15% wind risk area today encompasses southeastern Minnesota, parts of central and southwestern Wisconsin, parts of Iowa, northwestern Missouri, far northeastern Kansas, and far southeastern Nebraska. Okay? So, and there's another area where we have the Storm Prediction Center has added an additional 15% wind risk area today that encompasses central Pennsylvania, northwestern Delaware, parts of Maryland, Washington, D.C., a bit of the panhandle of West Virginia, parts of Virginia, western North Carolina, northwestern South Carolina, far northeastern Tennessee, and north central Georgia. Cities in the 15%, well, the 5% wind risk areas remain the same, so I don't have to go over those. Okay? Cities in the 15% wind risk areas today include Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Atlanta, Georgia, Madison, Wisconsin, and Des Moines, Iowa. And the 5% wind risk areas today include Chicago, Illinois, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, Columbus, Ohio, and Charlotte, North Carolina. Alright, now to the hail threat. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing parts of southwestern and central Virginia, far southeastern West Virginia, western North Carolina, northwestern South Carolina, far eastern Tennessee, parts of northern Georgia, and east central Alabama. The 5% hail risk area today includes Atlanta, Georgia, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Why should you do that? Alright, the 5% hail risk today includes Atlanta, Georgia, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, Sandy Springs, Georgia, Roanoke, Virginia, and Roswell, Georgia. Alright, so in summary, isolated wind damage and a few tornadoes will be possible this afternoon from northwest Missouri into Iowa, southeast Minnesota, and southern Wisconsin. Scattered wind damage will be possible from the mid-Atlantic into the southern Appalachians. So, those are the changes I had to address. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, even in the marginal, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms. But especially be safe in the slights. So, anyway, those are the updates I wanted to give, so stay safe today, and as soon as the Day 2 Outlook is updated from the SPC, I'll do the video on that, where I'll be filling in for SPC convective outlooks. I'm also filling in for SPC convective outlooks on this video, right now, technically, so, because I know he's going to share it. So, anyway, but again, stay tuned for the Day 2 Outlook, which will come out soon, and again, I'll be filling in for SPC convective outlooks in the Day 2 Outlook video. Take care.